What if your next electric SUV didn't feel electric at all, but drove like a true BMW? Meet the new 2026 BMW iX3 M Sport Pro, sharper, smarter, and more aggressive than ever. This is not just another EV, this is BMW trying to prove something, and by the end of this video, you'll know if they actually succeeded. The iX3 has always been a quiet player in BMW's electric lineup, but for 2026, everything changes. This M Sport Pro version brings a much stronger identity. It's no longer just efficient. Now it wants to be exciting. So today we're taking a full look at the exterior, interior, and how it actually drives. Let's start with the design. At first glance, you immediately notice the attitude. The front end looks sharper and more focused. The kidney grille is still closed, but now it feels more integrated and aggressive. The M Sport Pro package adds darker elements across the body. Gloss black accents, sportier bumpers, and more defined air intakes. The LED headlights are slimmer. They give the car a more modern and confident look. Move to the side, and the proportions feel balanced. Large wheels fill the arches perfectly. There's a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. At the rear, things get even more interesting. The taillights are sleek and slightly smoked. The diffuser area is more pronounced, giving it that sporty EV presence. This is no longer a safe design. BMW clearly wanted this car to stand out, and it works. But design is only half the story, because once you step inside, that's where things really start to change. Open the door, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels both premium and futuristic. The M Sport Pro touches are everywhere. You get sport seats with strong side support. They look aggressive, but they're also very comfortable. The steering wheel is thick and perfectly shaped. It immediately reminds you that this is still a driver-focused car. In front of you, the curved display dominates the dashboard. It's clean, it's sharp, and it's very intuitive to use. BMW's latest iDrive system feels faster than ever. Menus are smooth, and everything is easy to access. Ambient lighting adds a modern vibe at night. You can customize it to match your mood. Materials are high quality throughout the cabin. Soft touch surfaces, premium trims, and precise finishes. Nothing feels cheap here. Even the small details feel carefully designed. Space is also impressive. Rear passengers get plenty of legroom and headroom, and the trunk is practical enough for everyday use. This is a cabin built for both comfort and style. But let's be honest, a BMW isn't judged by how it looks, it's judged by how it drives. So, does this electric SUV still feel like a true BMW? Press the start button, and everything comes to life silently. No engine noise, just instant readiness. And the moment you hit the accelerator, you feel it. The power delivery is immediate, smooth, but strong. Acceleration feels effortless. This is where electric really shines. But what makes the iX3 M Sport Pro special is how it handles. The steering is precise. It gives you confidence in every corner. The suspension strikes a great balance. It's comfortable over bumps, but still firm enough to keep the car stable at higher speeds. There's very little body roll, and for an SUV, that's impressive. Regenerative braking is well tuned. You can drive smoothly in the city without constantly touching the brake pedal. On the highway, the car feels planted. Quiet cabin, stable ride, relaxed cruising. This is a car you can drive every day and still enjoy on a twisty road. So now the real question is this just a good electric SUV, or is it something more? The 2026 iX3 comes packed with modern technology. Driver assistance systems are more advanced. They make long drives easier and safer. Parking is simple with the 360-degree camera system. Wireless connectivity is seamless. Your phone integrates instantly. Charging is faster than before, and the range is more than enough for daily use. BMW clearly focused on making this car practical, but without losing its premium feel. The new 2026 BMW iX3 M Sport Pro is a big step forward. It looks better, it feels more premium, and most importantly, it drives like a BMW should. This is not just an electric SUV, it's a statement. BMW is showing that going electric doesn't mean losing identity. In fact, it might be the future of it. So what do you think? Would you choose the iX3 M Sport Pro over a traditional SUV? Or are you still not convinced by electric? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Because we've got more exciting car reviews coming very soon. See you in the next one.